Good morning, everyone. Trevor Thompson, TNT Pressure Cleaning. So we're at a house today, and we're going to be doing basically a house wash. But the primary reason for the call was the fascia, the flashing, the soffits, the yellowing, the discoloration that comes with organic matter, the molds, the mildews, the algae, the fungus, and really to, just like the alveoli in your lungs that help allow oxygen into the bloodstream. Same thing with the soffits. Those small holes allow ventilation, and that is necessary to alleviate any moisture that's collecting in your crawl space or attic. If that's not ventilated properly, you're going to get an excessive amount of moisture. When that happens, organic matter then starts, your molds, and obviously breathing mold is not a good thing. So you want to make sure you have this done annually. I want to take you on a quick walkthrough and let you see what the house looks like. You can reach me at 386-453-4213. So we've set up 200 feet of garden hose, and let's take a quick peek inside the trailer. We've got all types of products on hand, from EBC to Agent Clean, F9 products, everything that you would ever need to clean multiple different types of surfaces. We will not be using the 20-inch surface cleaner that you see over there, but we are equipped with all of the latest of technologies: guns, lances, wands, different style tips for different types of surfaces to be cleaned. So we ran our garden hose 100 feet of the flexilla around the side to the residential water supply. And we've set the machine up here so that we can work. We've got 200 feet of single braided hose laid so we can stretch the entire area. And one of the things I'm really excited to share with everyone today is our new chemical transportation system. So in lieu of having to tote a 5-gallon bucket around and refill it every side of the house, which requires you to carry the 2.5-gallon jerry jugs around, fill up, take them back. It's kind of a nuisance. We have developed a system here. So this is a hand truck, and on the hand truck we have this roughly 25-gallon drum here. We have inside of this drum right now we have 5 gallons. That's 5 gallons of straight SH and surfactant. We are using the Eliminator. And here you see we have lots of really cool stickers. So we've labeled our jug so that people can recognize who we are. Just strapped it in instead of using the tie downs, because the tie downs, if anything spills out, they're going to get bleached out, and eventually over time they're going to be no good. So we use these rubber straps to tie it down to the hand truck. We ran 30 feet of the food grade commercial siphon hose into the solution, and you can see on the end here, you can see the filter basket brass bar system. And then we've just sort of tied that in through the handles so that there's a snug fit. So I'm not going to be pulling on this too aggressively anyway, because I've got so much hose, but just in case, we don't want that thing to pull out all the way. And then we've just used one of these very inexpensive hand trucks, and the key here is the wide plate. Because that plate is so wide, it can really hold that drum on there. And then of course we just strap this on just like that, and you can wheel that around. Great idea. So that's an old hand truck we were using to tote multiple jerry jugs down a 1/4 mile boathouse that we cleaned up. And so instead of carrying those 2x2, I was able to stack 6 of them up there. Here we have the X-Jet nozzle attached to the long lance and gun. We have our high pressure ball valve, and we're ready to go. And you can see the reason for the call here today. You can see the mold and the mildew that has attached itself to the siding. You can see what the soffits look like in some areas. Now a gutter brightening service would be fantastic, because that's going to bring up a lot of that black. A lot of that black will not come off because that is not organic in nature. That is a pollutant that attaches itself to oxidized paint, and gutter butter is a great solution for that. You can see what the window trims look like. So this house will clean up really nicely. Even the utility boxes you can see here. So one of the things you guys want to make sure of is that you're pre-treating these walls, because you can see the fading that's going on in the paint already. If you put straight SH on there, it's going to burn right through. So take a look at the soffits, and I'll walk you around the balance of the house and show you a couple of other things. You can see the mold that's on here, just like that. Take a look there, you can see some mold up there and some other areas. We have some wasp nests, and you can see the dirt that's just collected up underneath there. So this will be the job for the day. We do have rain coming in a couple of hours, so we are putting our best foot forward. We will be removing things like this, little wasps' nests, and relocating them to a different area. And let's take a look at the soffits here and the flashing around the side of the house here. You can really see what that looks like. See? Take a look. All right. We'll do the slab here, and we'll kind of give you an idea of what this gutter line looks like here. Absolutely filthy. And we'll end the shot here just so you guys can see really what we're up against throughout this whole area. So I want to thank everyone for coming out with me. My name is Trevor Thompson. I own TNT Pressure Cleaning, dynamite service with explosive results. You can reach me at 386-453-4213. Have a great day, everyone. Keep cleaning. Thank you. Be careful when you're out here, guys. And do what we do best. Turn green into clean. Have a great day.